Hey, everybody. Welcome to another HeroPress tip of the week. This week, I would like to talk to you about post types and specifically introduce you to custom post types. WordPress has several built in post types, and the most obvious, of course, is posts. But a page is also a type of post, and attachments, revisions, navigation menus, custom CSS, and change sets. Those are the built in ones. And you can see those here in the WordPress admin. There's posts. Media holds attachments, pages, comments, um, revisions. You would see if you started a post and then left it without saving. And then the CSS is here in the customizer. That's what gets stored in here. And then if you were to make a change, let's see, I want site identity. And then right here is a gear. You could save these changes as a draft or schedule or something. That's a change set. So these are built-in post types. And some themes, like this one, I'm using Cadence WP, as you can see here at the bottom, offer customizer settings for different post types. So here's for pages and then blog posts. Now, what I really want to draw your attention to is custom post types. You can create new ones and do anything you want with them. And sometimes people ask, what would you make? And the list is really endless. I'm going to quickly show you how to make one, and you'll see what you can do with it. There's a plugin called Custom Post Type UI. Normally, you would make custom post types with code, but with Custom Post Type UI, it makes a beautiful interface here in WordPress. So we're going to activate that real quick, and then we're going to add a post type, and it needs a slug, and we're going to make a staff listing. So we'll just call it staff. And then the plural label is still staff. And that can be it if you want. You can put in a description and you can make up custom menu names. But the plugin is smart enough to take what we've given up here and make reasonably logical entries for each of these. There are also some settings here. Has archive, uh, exclude from search, that sort of thing. Um, I find that the defaults are perfect for everything I like to do. So you can just put in these top three and hit add post type. And now on the left, under comments, we have staff. You can make this little icon be anything you want. Let's edit this post type real quick, and we'll go down to settings. And here's menu icon. It can be a dash icon or an image. Um, if you want an icon, you can simply click right here, and then we will save this post type. And now you can see there's a person there. And now it works just like regular posts. You can have a title, you have a description, um, and you can add a featured image, so you can put an image of a staff person, etc. Now, some more real magic comes when we can add custom fields, but that's going to be another tip of the week. I really wanted to point out that you can make custom post types. So common ones are event calendars. E-commerce plugins often use a product post type. The Your options are endless. You can make anything you want. So when somebody says, "Hey, my plugin uses a custom post type of X," then now you're going to know what they're talking about. I hope you find it useful.